Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths, state board, chapter 10, differential equation, exercise 10.5, fourth sum, fifth subdivision. E power y plus 1 into cos x into dx plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0. We can do it by variable separable method. So, e power y sin x into dy equal to minus e power y plus 1. E power y plus 1 into cos x dx. Cos x dx by variable separable method. So, dy and dx should be in the numerator. E power y by e power y plus 1 into dy. E power y by e power y plus 1 into dy equal to cos x minus cos x by sin x into dx integral e power y by e power y plus 1 into dy equal to minus integral cos x by sin x into dx. Cos x by sin x into dx. So, what is the differentiation of e power y? E power y. Differentiation of 1 is 0. You check the differentiation of the denominator, you can get the value of the numerator log of the denominator value. So, e power y differentiation is e power y, 1 differentiation is 0. So, log of modulus of e power y plus 1 equal to minus e power y plus 1 equal to minus differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x minus log of modulus of sin x plus log of mod c plus log of mod c. So, log of modulus of e power y plus 1 plus log of modulus of sin x equal to log of mod c. Log m plus log n equal to log mn. So, log of modulus of e power y plus 1 into sin x equal to log of mod c. So, taking anti-log on both the sides. So, what is the value? E power y plus 1 into sin x. E power y plus 1 into sin x equal to c. E power y plus 1 into sin x equal to c is the required differential equation. The sixth subdivision, y dx minus x dy into cot of x by y equal to n y square into dx. So, y dx minus x dy by y square into cot of x by y equal to n into dx. See here, y dx minus x dy by y square into cot of x by y equal to n into dx. You know the formula. What is the quotient rule? D of differentiation of u by v. Differentiation of u by v equal to v du minus u dv. v du minus u dv by v square. v du minus u dv by v square. In the same way, differentiation of x by y equal to y dx minus x dy by y square. Y dx minus x dy by y square. So we can apply here cot of x by y. Cot of x by y into differentiation of x by y. Here x by y term is there. You can write differentiation of x by y. If x is, you can, it is there dx. Y means dy. X by y term means it should be there of d of x by y equal to n into dx. Now integrating on both the sides. So log of modulus of sine of sine. Cot x is nothing but what? Cos by sine. Log of modulus of sine x. Log of modulus of sine of x by y. Log of modulus of sine of x by y equal to nx plus c. Nx plus c. So log of modulus of sine of x by y. So sine of x by y. Log of modulus of sine of x by y equal to nx plus c. Nx plus c. So raising the power, taking antilog on both the sides or raising the power e on both the sides. Sine of x by y equal to e power nx plus c. E power nx plus c. So sine of x by y equal to e power nx into e power c. E power nx into e power c. E power c is a constant. E is a constant, so you can write as what? C. E power c is a constant, so you can write as c. So sine of x by y equal to c into e power nx. Sine of x by y equal to c into e power nx. So sine of x by y equal to c into e power nx is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. See the seventh subdivision, dy by dx minus x into root of 25 minus x square equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to x into root of 25 minus x square. So dy equal to x into root of 25 minus x square into dx. X square into dx, integrating on both the sides. See, x dx is there. Here minus x square is there. So you can take it as, this term you can take it as 25 minus x square. You can take it as t. 25 minus x square you can take it as t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. 25 is 0 because of constant, minus 2x dx equal to dt. Minus 2x dx equal to dt. But in this x dx are there. So you will write x dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. X dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. So you can substitute here integral dy. Integral dy equal to integral root of 25 minus x square root t into x dx is what? Minus 1 by 2 into dt. Minus 1 by 2 into dt. Integral dy equal to minus 1 by 2 is constant, you can take it out. Root t you will write it as t power 1 by 2 into dt. So you apply the formula integral dy equal to minus 1 by 2 into integral t power 1 by 2 into dt. What is the integral dy? y equal to minus 1 by 2 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c plus c. So y equal to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So y equal to minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, reciprocal that value, 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c, 2 get cancel, 2 get cancel. See y equal to minus 1 by 3, y equal to minus 1 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. y equal to you can take it as the LCM minus t power 3 by 2 plus 3c by 3. So 3y plus t 3 power 3 by 2 equal to 3c. You bring this term to the left hand side and you can bring that minus 3 by 2 to the left hand side, 3y plus t power 3 by 2 plus 3c, but 3c is a constant, you can write as 3c equal to c, 3y plus t, what is the value of t there, 25 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 equal to 3c equal to c is the required differential equation, See the eighth sum by doing variable separable method. Cos y into dy equal to 1 by x into e power x, x log x plus 1 into dx, x log x plus 1 into dx, cos y into dy equal to cos y into dy equal to cos y into dy equal to, so you can multiply that 1 by x inside, e power x into x log x by x plus 1 by x into dx, 1 by x into dx. So x get cancelled. So what is the value? Cos y into dy equal to e power x log x plus 1 by x into dx, e power x into log x plus 1 by x into dx, 1 by x into dx. So integral cos y into dy equal to integral e power x into log x plus 1 by x into dx. We have a formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx equal to e power x f of x plus c, e power x into f of x plus c. Here you can take it as f of x equal to log x. F of x equal to log x. What is the differentiation of log x? F dash of x equal to 1 by x. F dash of x equal to 1 by x. So integral cos y into dy, integral cos y into dy equal to integral e power x into log x plus 1 by x into dx. What is the integration of cos y? Integration of cos y is nothing but what? Sin y. Integration of cos y is sin y. Integral e power x log x plus 1 by x dx is nothing but e power x into log x plus c. Because differentiation of f of x, you are getting the value of f dash of x. So the answer is e power x f of x plus c. So e power x log x plus c, sin y equal to e power x log x plus c is the required differential equation. is the required differential equation, is the required differential equation. See the ninth sum, tan y into dy by dx equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. So tan y into dy by dx equal to, what is the formula for cos of a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. The same way cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Plus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So minus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y get cancelled. What is the remaining value you are having? Tan y into dy by dx equal to 2 cos x into cos y. 2 cos x into cos y by variable separable method. By variable separable method. So see here, by variable separable method, tan y by cos y, tan y by cos y into dy equal to, tan y by cos y into dy equal to 2 cos x into dx. 2 cos x into dx. 1 by cos is nothing but secant, trigonometric. So secant y tan y. Secant y tan y, because 1 by cos is secant, trigonometric value. Dy equal to 2 cos x into dx, integrating on both the sides. 2 is constant. What is secant y tan y? See, integral secant y tan y into dy is nothing but what? Secant y equal to 2 into, what is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integral secant y tan y equal to secant y equal to 2 integration of cos x is sin x plus c, is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. See the 10th sum, it's a very important sum. Dy by dx equal to tan square of x plus y. We cannot separate this value, x plus y. See, but it's variable separable method only we are doing. Here x plus y, tan square of x plus y is joining of the terms x plus y. If it is come like this, you can take it as x plus y equal to z. If it comes like this, x plus y equal to, so you can take it as x plus y equal to z. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X become 1 plus dy by dx equal to dz by dx. dz by dx. So dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1. You can substitute in this equation. You can substitute in this equation. Dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to dz by dx minus 1. dz by dx minus 1 equal to tan square of x plus y. You can take it as z. Tan square of x plus y is z. So dz by dx equal to 1 plus tan square z. 1 plus tan square z. dz by dx equal to, by trigonometric value, 1 plus tan square z is nothing but what? Secant square z. By variable separable method, dz by secant square z equal to dx. What is 1 by secant? is nothing but cos. 1 by secant is cos. So cos square z. Cos square z into dz equal to dx. Integrating on both the sides. We are not able to integrate that cos square z. So you can use the formula cos square z equal to 1 plus cos 2z by 2. 1 plus cos 2z by 2. So integral 1 plus cos 2z by 2 into dz equal to integral dx. Integral dx 1 by 2 you can take it out. 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2z into dz equal to integral dx. Integral dx. See 1 by 2 into, what is the integration of 1? Integration of dz is z plus integration of cos 2z is sin 2z by coefficient. You can write it in the denominator. So z plus sin 2z by 2 equal to integral dx is x plus c. Integral dx is x plus c. See 1 by 2 into, you replace that value z by x plus y. X plus y plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into sine 2 of x plus y. Sine 2 of x plus y equal to x plus c. So sine 2a, what is the formula for sine 2a? 2 sin a cos a. Sine 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Sine 2a equal to. So 1 by 2 into x plus y. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus 1 by 2 into sine 2a. This is the value of a. Sine 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. 2 into sin a cos a. 2 into sin a cos a. 1 by 2 into sin 2a is nothing but what? 2 sin a cos a equal to x plus c. Equal to x plus c. So 2 get cancelled. So what is the final value here? 1 by 2 into x plus y. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus sine 1 by 2 into x plus y plus sine of x plus y into cos of x plus y. Sine of x plus y into cos of x plus y equal to x plus c. Equal to x plus c is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. It's a very important sum. See, go through thoroughly. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.